Hi friends, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to share with you everything that I'm going to bring with me to my upcoming trip to Chile. This will be my first time visiting the country and I'm excited to explore and make art while I'm there. Also, I'll make video vlogs of my time and experience in Chile. I plan to sketch a lot, paint, use colored pencils, and embroidery on paper. And trying to choose what I'm going to bring to the trip wasn't easy, so I decided to separate everything by categories. First, let's start with art supplies. I love watercolors and these are some of my favorite supplies. Remember that everything that you see in this video will be linked in the description down below. Some of the materials you see are my favorites and others are brand new that I'm excited to bring and use on my trip. I love watching this type of videos and I hope you enjoy as well. Now let's pack together. Next is the embroidery category. Since I plan to embroider on paper, I'm not going to bring a lot of supplies from this category. I have this metal thing that I really like and it's perfect for storing my embroidery floss and needle. I think 3 different colors will be enough. Also, I'll bring with me scissors and a pen. This last category is the tools that I need to edit my videos. I'll bring my headphones and my iPad. These are my favorite headphones and they will be nice to bring with me not only for editing my videos but also to listen to music and watch movies during the flight. The iPad is one of the tools that I use the most. I create, work, and edit from it. So I decided to buy a case that will help to make my life so much easier while I'm away from home. This is the Combo Touch from Logitech. The color of this is called Sand. I love the color and the material. It feels a little heavy, but basically converts your iPad into a mini laptop. So for me, I'm not really bothered by the weight. And that's everything for this video. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Please make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos that I upload every week. For more art and embroidery videos, please watch this next one. I really think you guys will like it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.